Well, spring in Washington has become a beloved classic of nature writing. This season brings less rain than winter, although showers are still common. Colorful blossoms and mild temperatures characterize spring in Washington state. Hey everyone, a very good morning. It's Rashmi Patel and welcome back to my channel. So far off today, we are starting with visiting the northern Seattle and the Tulip Festival at Skagit Valley. So let's roll our day. Living in Seattle, spring season invites you the cherry blossom, blooming wildflower and tulip fields, and Skagit Valley is the largest tulip festival in United States. What's up guys, I am at Tulip Field and the weather is sunny today. Well, it's incredible to see such vibrant fields and the tulips are blooming all around. This is one of the spring thing to do when you are in Seattle. So let's begin our day. Historically, the tulip was a symbol of paradise on earth, and so do you feel the magic here, where millions of tulips burst into bloom. Outstretched fields of blooming tulips as well as garden areas planted in various arrangements. Photographers delight, but prepare for the massive crowds. Well, it is an incredible place to see tulips in all their glory, and the entire reason for this trip didn't disappoint. Well, for the second half of the day, we are heading to the town of Bellingham. It has some more scenic route and places to visit, which is approximately half an hour drive from Mount Vernon. So let's continue our day. Bellingham, a coastal city near the Canadian border. It's a port for ferries to Alaska, where you can come across wildlife casually. Generally, it's known for outdoor recreation and it's at the center of uniquely picturesque landscape. Whatcom is a land of towering peaks, serene forest and many trails with endless outdoor opportunities. Right across the parking 2 minutes walk away, you will see the short and scenic waterfall. The stone bridge is easy to get to a viewing of the river and falls. It's one of the amazing places to visit in Bellingham. Secondly, now rolling our wheels to Chestnut Drive. Chestnut is a native term which means a long beach far from a narrow entrance. the curvy 21 miles coastal drive along rocky shore. And there are many spots where you can have a lookout. With that, here we sign off. See you next time with another series. Goodbye.